Hello guys, welcome to Reactivating Lyft channel. My name is Serge, and in today's video, I'm using ChatGPT to write a response to Lyft team that is handling my case. They have asked me for dashcam footage, about 2 hours worth of dashcam footage, and I'm basically using ChatGPT to construct a very nice email letter to them. And this is basically like what I'm trying to explain to ChatGPT, and according to this, they could write a very nice letter. It might sound like it's coming from the lawyer. I might actually add that over here. Let's see, deactivated. Make the letter sound like it was written by an Let's see what it's gonna write. I'm so excited. Like, wow, I love this. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So, anyways, guys, I'm having like more fun with this than I was working for Lyft. All right, so let's see. This is what I'm asking. Write an email to Lyft about my account being temporarily on hold to Joseph, that is handling my case, and let him know in a friendly but firm way that I can't send him videos from my dashcam because it violates my privacy, and to reactivate my account as soon as possible. And if they really need my dashcam footage, they can get it from my attorneys. I have looked at my dashcam footage and did not see anything wrong, and I believe that I have been wrongfully deactivated. Make the letter sound like it was written by an attorney. I do not have attorneys just yet, but this is something that I just came up with. I just actually made another video for you guys, and that's looking into how much money I'm actually making from Lyft. And I kind of thought about it, and also asking you guys in that video to give me your opinion. What do you think? Would you provide the footage to them or would you not? But this is my response to that same video that I just did. That I feel that I should not be providing any footage to them whatsoever. Okay, so I believe that if I keep them in the dark, that is also best. Now, if Lyft decides not to reactivate my account, then I will feel that finally I could start posting videos of my passengers because I have a dashcam recording. Because look, they are in my car, they are in a public place, but my private car, and they don't really have any rights with me recording them. That is not it is not their private place. So when they're in somebody else's car, they should expect that they're gonna be recorded. But I have been holding from uploading any footage of my dashcam, and I was thinking how should I go about it. But now that I've been deactivated, which is something I didn't see coming, now I feel like, okay, well, it's time to look at some footage and find some bits that may be funny and or weird, whatever that passengers like to do when they get in, and I start uploading some of that stuff. But with all that being said, let's see what ChatGPT has written. Subject: urgent, account on hold, request for reactivation. Dear Joseph, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to address the matter of Lyft account being temporarily on hold, which I understand you are currently handling. As my client's attorney, I must emphasize the importance of privacy and the need to adhere to legal principles while resolving this issue. I would like to clarify that my client cannot comply with the request to provide dashcam footage directly to Lyft, as doing so would infringe upon their right to privacy and potentially compromise sensitive information. As such, I kindly request that you reconsider this requirement. If there's any absolute necessity for the dashcam footage in question, I recommend that you formally request it through proper legal channels. In such cases, we will be more than willing to cooperate, and provide any relevant information within the bounds of the law. Upon careful examination of the client's dashcam footage, there have been no indications of any wrongdoing or violations of Lyft's policies. Therefore, my client firmly believes that their deactivation was done in an error, and we seek an immediate reactivation of their account. We trust that Lyft values fairness and transparency in its operations and will duly restrict this matter without further delay. Rectify this matter without further delay. Our goal is to reach an immediate resolution swiftly and ensure my clients can continue using the Lyft platform. In light of our urgency of this matter, we request a prompt response and resolution from your end. We appreciate your attention to this concern and anticipate a favorable outcome. Should you require any further information or documentation from us, please do not hesitate to contact me directly at your contact information or my client's contact information. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation in this matter. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have a lawyer. Lawyer did not write this, but guess what? Sometimes you could represent yourself. And in this case, I am representing myself and I'm using ChatGBT as my lawyer. So basically, I will put my name there that I'm representing myself, and we'll see what happens there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and copy this. Boom. Okay. Boom. Done. We're going to go to the email here and we're going to hit reply. So I will now put that there. And then I'm going to put like that, copy. I'm going to get rid of their thing. And there you go. And I'm going to just remove that. Just make it like that. Gonna go down further. I'm just gonna remove that. I'm just gonna remove that. Let them sweat a little bit or squirm. Contact me directly, and I'm just gonna put dot there. No, I'm just gonna put a comma or my client at client's contact information. We'll leave it at that. And I'm gonna get rid of all of this. Gonna get rid of all that. We're actually going to get rid of that. There you go. That way I will not get into any legal trouble for providing some fake lawyers, but I am representing myself and this is my approach to this matter. So yeah, we're not inside of the court. Actually, guys, I considered becoming a lawyer back in the day because I always like to argue. I don't really like to argue anymore, but if somebody will choose to argue with me, then I will be able to fight back. Now that we have ChatGPT, just made it so much easier. So anyways, hit send. Boom. Done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care of yourself and see you guys in the next video. Let me know your thoughts below, what you think. And hopefully this can help you deal with your deactivation in case you have a deactivation. Because look, attorneys cost a lot of money. ChatGPT is free. So you could have it construct a very nice formal letter that sounds very illegal and scary, or to anyone for that matter. Maybe if somebody did not pay your rent, you could use that and get them to pay your rent. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.